Hey guys, Jason here checking out gold again. My computer died and I managed to get a new one, in the sense, salvaged a bunch of parts, built myself a Frankenstein PC here, and we're back at it and we're recording gold videos again. I don't have editing of my editing information or programs here, so it's going to be pretty raw and uncut. And we're going to look at the hourly time frame to get started. So the last time we looked at gold, we were around here at 1292.927. Looking at that daily high or low, and whether we're going to change the daily trend. And we'll go back to the daily time frame here before we finish to reference what I'm talking about. But what's important here is that we kept that high or low on the daily, and we have been seeing a daily uptrend since that time. So the daily uptrend has us hitting higher highs consecutively, and we're getting higher lows as well. Let's just ignore this 1300 pivot because it's not that lower low or higher low. It's just a little bit of noise on this pivot chart. So here's a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. And what are we doing right now? Potentially setting a higher low. So that's an important level for us on the hourly time frame that we need to keep our eyes on. And that's 1303.808. So let's jump down to the 5-minute time frame and see exactly how close we came to hitting that level. Very, very close. 1303. So I believe I may have just misspoke here. Looking at that hourly level. Where are we here? 13.0. Yes, I did. So 1303, not 1308. But you can see on the 5-minute time frame, we've been very close to hitting that level, and there is a little bit of support here on that hourly that is currently acting as support on the 5-minute trend. 5-minute trend is trending down, but we're going to focus on the hourly for this. So for this trend to continue, we need to have this as our higher low. We need to come back up and set a high over 1310. Now I'm a little cautious on whether or not that's going to happen for a couple of reasons, and we're going to jump to the 4-hour time frame to explain why. And first of all, I'm seeing a double top here at 1311.288. So we had our initial pullback, big pullback down to 1292, and then we've come back up and we see we do have some resistance here. So it's possible for us to come back up on the hourly time frame and the 4-hour and see if we can break this key level, but that will assuming we have any sort of pullback, mark a triple top around this level and have us coming back down to see if we can change the 4-hour time frame. So hourly is in an uptrend, double top, potentially triple top, of course, if we get that level and a pullback on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if we jump to the daily, I'm a little bit of concern here. We have that tightening range, and on the weekly time frame we can see that we are potentially setting up for this weekly bear flag. This would be the last week that we would want to see any sort of pullback. Sorry, the last candle, so the last week we would want to see as part of the flag aspect of this bear flag. So I'm still leaning a little bit bearish here. We've got this resistance at 1311.288 that we absolutely need to take control of again for the bulls. And then we've got this daily level that I'm still cautiously watching. This is 1276.851. If we come down and lose that level, that changes that daily trend. So right now we see resistance at that 4-hour resistance here. If we pull back, and I guess our higher low now is actually 1280.92. Very close to the previous, but you know, we lose either of these levels, the daily trend changes, and we start looking for a weekly bear flag to play out. So that's it. This is my summary of gold today. We'll try better tomorrow. Hopefully this tech thing will be a little friendlier to me, and we'll be back into the groove a little bit. Thanks a lot for watching. Always appreciate your comments, and have a good Tuesday night.